Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can customize the text theme for your text boxes you add to your Wix website projects in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your Wix website project, select the page in the top left corner, and after that guys navigate to the text theme settings. You will find these in the left panel under site design. Select text theme here or click into that arrow to the right icon and start customizing your text theme for the page. Now what you want to do guys is customize, for example, the heading font by clicking into this drop down menu and select one of these. Then you may do this of course for the paragraphs and select one of these. And after that customize also the styles for the headings and paragraphs. Click into that drop down menu and select one of these for the heading or headings, and also for the paragraphs. If you'd like to customize them even more, click into that pencil icon next to the selected paragraph style. Select the font here again, the font size, or choose a custom font size here. Apply bold letters, italic letters, or the color. Click into apply. Confirm these changes by clicking into this button and you will see the result here to the right. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.